Hi everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm bringing you a Chinese classic, Mapo Tofu. To me, it is the ultimate comfort food. All I need is a big bowl of Mapo Tofu and rice, and I'm one happy girl. Mapo Tofu originates from the province of Sichuan and features cubed tofu and minced pork braised in a flavoursome red sauce with a signature Sichuan spiciness. So if you want to learn how to cook my version of Mapo Tofu, then keep watching and let's get cooking. So now we're all done with our Mapo Tofu and I can't wait to taste it. I'm just serving it with some steamed jasmine rice. Oh yeah. I need a moment. It's so delicious. So the first thing is that you get a really great balance of the tofu and the pork mince in every bite. So this dish has an awesome depth of flavor. You get the fermented bean paste along with all the other spices that go along with it. And it ends with this tingly sort of spice sensation that you get with Sichuan food. And when you eat this, it gives you the best warming sensation. So it's perfect for those cold nights. I can honestly eat so much rice with this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning my version of Mapo Tofu. You can find the full written recipe on my cooking blog, peckishlulu.com, along with extra notes, and you can follow me on my socials on Instagram and Facebook as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. And if you make this dish, don't forget to tag me as well. I love to check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay peckish!